How to create a Facebook page from your personal account. Open your Facebook app because we'll be creating the page from your existing Facebook account. Click on Menu, bottom right corner. Click Create New Profile or Page. Choose the professional option since this is a public page. That's the whole idea. Alternatively, you can click Pages, then tap Create. It will still bring you to the same place, so either option works fine. Click Next. Now, give your page a name. I'll name mine SmJanet. That's also the name of my YouTube channel. You can check it out to learn more about growing your online presence and monetizing your social media accounts. Click Next. Choose the categories that best describe your business. Just start typing and select what fits. Click Create. Let's set up the page info. Write a short bio so people understand what your page is about. If you have a website, paste the link there. If you don't, you can use your YouTube channel link. Open your channel. Tap More. Copy the link and paste it into the website section. Enter your email address. Add your phone number. Enter your location. Set your working hours to let people know when you're available. Click Next. Make your page look professional. To add a nice banner and profile picture, we'll use Canva. Open Canva on your browser or download the app. Search for Facebook page banner. Pick any template you like and customize it. For now, I'll leave mine as is, but I'll change it later. Click the download icon and save it. Go back to your Facebook app. Tap your profile, click Add Cover, choose the banner you just downloaded. Drag to adjust it to your liking. Click Save. Now add your profile picture. Tap your profile photo. Click Edit, adjust it, or even add text if you like. Click Next and refresh your page. Explore your dashboard. Click on Professional Dashboard. Tap Explore on your own. Here's a breakdown of what you'll see. Home, for your content performance. Insights, to track how your page is doing. Content, where all your posts are stored. Engagement, see how people are interacting. Monetization, check your earnings. And that's it, your Facebook page is fully set up and ready to go. Please follow me and drop a comment to let me know you're coming from my YouTube. I'll follow back. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next one.